For years, buying a budget smartphone under $250 meant agreeing to a painful contract with compromises. You either had to deal with a sluggish processor that lagged after 6 months, a tiny display that washed out under the sun, or worst of all, a battery that died halfway through your workday. Well, Xiaomi just decided to completely rewrite the rules for budget phones. Say hello to the brand new Xiaomi Redmi 17 5G. Priced at roughly $249, this phone is packing groundbreaking battery technology and durability specs that make flagship phones look lazy. Let and Oppo's start with the absolute star of the show, the power grid. While Apple and Samsung continue to ship phones with standard 4,000 to 5,000 mAh batteries, Xiaomi managed to cram a massive 7,500 mAh battery inside the Redmi 17 5G. How did they fit an 8,000 mAh class battery into a phone that's just 8.8 mm thin? They ditched cheap graphite and upgraded to next-generation silicon-carbon anode technology. By mixing silicon into the carbon matrix, they achieve drastically higher volumetric energy density. We are talking 109 hours of continuous music playback, 28 hours of video streaming, or 3 full days of heavy usage on a single charge. And when you do need to charge up, the 45W turbo charging gets you from 0 to 51% in just 35 minutes. But here is the real kicker, with built-in 22.5W reverse wired charging, this phone doubles as a literal high-speed power bank to charge your wireless earbuds or even a friend and Oppo's phone on the go. Under the hood, it's powered by Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 processor, built on a power-efficient 4nm node. Featuring 2 Cortex-A78 performance cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 efficiency cores, this chip easily hits over 650,000 points on Antutu. Combined with up to 12 GB of total RAM via virtual memory extension and UFS 2.2 storage, it runs Xiaomi's new HyperOS 3 on Android 16 with a guaranteed 48-month Fluency commitment. That means no lag, no freezing, and smooth performance for 4 full years. On the front, you get a massive 6.9-inch 120Hz AdaptiveSync display protected by bleeding-edge Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. It hits 825 nits of peak brightness in high brightness mode, features Wet Touch 2.0 so you can use it with wet hands, and holds an IP64 dust and water resistance rating. Around back, there and Oppo's a 50-megapixel AI camera system, dual stereo speakers with a 300% volume boost, and a customizable dynamic RGB light that pulses for incoming calls and notifications. A 7,500 mAh silicon carbon battery, 22.5W power bank mode, 4nm Snapdragon power, and Gorilla Glass 7i for under $250. The Xiaomi Redmi 17 5G just set a brand new baseline for what an affordable phone should be.